gratifications theory. The summary of the uses of and gratification theory is how the effect of media consumption shouldn't be only viewed by what media does to people and the cause and effect of that, but more so how people take media and what they do with that to satisfy their own wants and needs. This theory discusses that people who use the media have specific different needs of their own, that they seek to gratify using any type of media that satisfies their given need that may or may not enhance their social skills and overall intelligence. This theory also suggests that media audiences play an active role in interpreting and integrating media into their own lives. The theory also approaches why people actively seek out specific media forms to fill their specific needs. The theorist for the theory uses and gratifications is Elihu Katz. He pretty much changed the communication game. He is an American Israelite sociologist and communication scholar. Katz began his work on this theory in the late 1950s, and his focus was how the interaction of media with how people use it. Katz is now Professor Emeritus of Communication and Sociology at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. He contributed most of his study to mass communication. Most of his work includes research on topics, including uses and gratifications with interpersonal needs and wants. The graphical theory for uses and gratifications also holds that audiences are responsible for choosing media to meet their needs. The approach suggests that people use the media to fulfill specific gratifications. This theory will then show and imply that the media competes against each other information sources for viewers' gratification. It is an approach to understanding why people actively seek out specific media outlets and content for these certain gratification purposes. An example of this theory that I could best relate it to would be when you're watching a movie with your boyfriend. You guys run to decide on a movie together. But as for you, you are watching a movie because you find the actor really attractive in the movie, so you both decided to watch together. As for your boyfriend, is watching a movie because he wants to really see how the actor does in the movie, like his acting skills, his performance of how well he plays the character, and so on. You both are using uses and gratification through media use to gratify your own needs and wants individually. So understanding the media effects, the differences are a big part of your reason for media use. You have very opposite needs to satisfy, even if you guys were involved in the same media use. The same media message doesn't always seem to affect everyone the same way, because the application of this theory is media audiences are not alike to one another. And that is the theory of uses and gratification.